I gotta keep on moving, yeah, yeah. Every jar rhythm, I come prepared, I still jar living. Every day I skank till I'm healing. I wanna see your hands if you feel it. It's native man, original rude boy making you skank. Revival of jam music, stand strong and use it and shine. And shine, yeah, yeah. But people find time to slow down. This time keeps ticking every day. Think you really fly, but you're low now. Reggae music keeps the doctor away. Reggae music in the morning keeps your head right.
Can't appoint me in here. Guy telling stories. Okay, I was just trying to catch the story. Big poles with some. Little poles. Conventional reels. The only time I had a fight over there, I had around lost it. Fishing stories. Like how you get that thing on the shotgun. Oh yeah. Well, it was good for catching lure, yeah? Oh yeah. Now we built fire. I usually look for wood for built fire. We built the fire the last time. It was down with it. I don't know who did that. Must have been that third encounter. The third kind. One more time, one more time. Papillo! Yeah, first catch of the day. One more time, one more time.
And shine, yeah, yeah. But people find time to slow down. Time keeps ticking every day. You think you really fly, but you're low now. Reggae music keeps the doctor away. Reggae music in the morning keeps your head right.
What do you need fish? What guy? Or not guy? This shit again. Oh yeah, I could have went for my bird. Oh, now you're fishy. Oh, wow. Oh! Bite that head off, man. Go bite it. Nope. Yeah! Bring it up. Wind it, wind it. Oh, look at the grappa! This guy right here caught that fish. What happened? That's the one for today that we throw back. You know, that's tradition right there. Alright, yeah.